We have three different types of hyenas. We have the spotted hyena, the striped hyena, and the brown hyena. In our ecosystems in Mara and in Kenya in general, we have two types of hyenas, striped hyena and the spotted hyena. The spotted hyenas are the largest and they live in a clan. But in this case, you find that hyenas, especially the females, seem to have more testosterone or the male hormones than any other species on the face of the earth. Why is it that? And that's the reason why they're more aggressive, they're bigger in size, and they control the whole pride. They have a chance to choose who to mate with, because that mate selection is very important for any natural organism. So to avoid that, remember, they're always in one place, okay, in one clan. So if she allows herself to mate with the relatives, this is going to weaken the gene pool. So in that case, it has to be very aggressive, okay, larger in size to be the leader of that clan. Okay, and also one of the things about hyenas being the apex predators, they don't have a direct predator. So in that case, we never rule out the fact of cannibalism amongst themselves. Okay, cannibalism the key, and it's been mentioned that sometimes even all the males will have a child, they can be tempted into feeding on the young ones, and that's the reason why the mothers have to be very, very vigilant on that. Okay, and not to mention, hyena is one of the very successful predator within our ecosystem. Okay, as much as many people have thought that hyena is only a scavenger, it's not only a scavenger. It has different roles which are very important. Okay, they root out the weaker, the older, so that we can ensure that the predators or the herbivores or those the prey or those animals species that are being preyed on, they always have a stable population for procreation. So predation is never a bad thing in our ecosystem, but it's a mutualistic relationship where both of them benefit for the sake of the whole ecosystem. When it comes to scavenging, why do we have a scavenger? Scavenging is a way of trying to remove dead bodies. And remember, most of these animals could die out of because of sickness. And scavengers, including the vultures, the hyenas, sometimes even the crocodiles, marabou storks, have that responsibility of, we call them the cleanup crew. Yeah, cleanup crew in the sense that once the animal is dead, either through a disease mentioned like anthrax, okay, they stop the further infection of this bacteria amongst the other species. So that makes sure that there will be no more other infections within the ecosystem. So they don't only clean it up, they make it ensure that the ecosystem is healthy as possible.